Hello and welcome to another video for online school. This is a writing video, and today I want to talk to you about the project that we've been working on and the one that you sent in photos and you sent what you've been writing on that we were able to share and everyone was able to see. So people are writing a letter about a problem that they see, whether it's at home or at school or outside, and then telling of what you think is a good idea for how to fix it. Now, we want to talk about how to improve our letters and make them better, so we're going to keep working on the same type of thing and just reworking and editing and seeing if we can make it even better, which is the same thing that we would be doing in class. Now, for this example, I wanted to write and show you a way that you could do to improve. We don't have to do each one of these ways, but these are some suggestions over the next couple of days of ways you can make your letter better. So I'm going to show you a copy. This is a letter that I have talking to people who go to the park. When you go to the park, there's someone to watch, right? You go with mom or dad or grandparents or babysitters, something like that. And then at the park, hopefully everybody is playing nicely. But I want to give you an example of a problem at the park. So in this letter it says, can we talk to you about a problem that we are seeing? Some kids at the park aren't waiting patiently in line for the slide. Sometimes bigger kids play too rough. So it's a nice little letter, and it says what the problem is, but it could be better. So, one way that would be good to help is to tell a true story. So, when you tell a true story, or when someone tells a true story about when the problem happened to you, that can make it sound even more powerful, like, wow, that's a really good reason for us to listen to you and do something about it. So I've added a little bit now to the same letter, and I'll read this example, all right? So, dear moms, dads, and grandparents, can we talk to you about a problem that we are seeing? Some kids at the park are not playing nicely. Can you help us fix this problem? Kids aren't waiting patiently in line for the slide. Now, here's the example part. Sometimes bigger kids play too rough. One time, a big kid went running so fast down the ramp that he knocked a little kid over. And the big kid didn't even stop to see if the little kid was okay and help him up. So, did that sound like that's a good reason to make sure that people are doing a good job in the park and lining up nicely? Anytime that you tell a true story or something that you know that happened or happened to you, that can help be a good reason why to fix a problem. So, in your writing for today, can you add where you had the problem happen and you saw it and you think you should change that problem? The other example I had was running in the hall. Remember? I showed that before when people were running in the hall. And I said, oh, that's a bad problem. Well, one time someone was running out there, and then someone from in a classroom opened a door to walk outside suddenly, and they didn't know that there was a person running, and that person got hit by the door. Does that sound like a good reason not to run there? All right. So, can you think of a time, something that you saw where the problem you're talking about was really a problem? All right. See if you can add that into our letter. It will mean maybe we are rewriting in our notebook. That's okay. We'll rewrite and rewrite. And see if we can improve our letters as we go. All right. Good luck writing, everybody. Bye.